Hello, this is a quick video to tell you about Era 1 rolling stock. To the Midland Model Railway, the Triple MR for short. Okay, we've got two rockets there and there. We've got the Tiger there, and we've got the Lion just there. As you can see, this is first class carriages. That's one called Wellington. I think that one says Andrews, I think that one's called Globe. I've got no second class, but third class is rather basic. They are still quite fancy, but there's no, as you with first class, they've got glass windows in them and a roof. But with the third class, there's not even a seat, you have to stand up in them. And they do have like little fancy door handles on the third class, but so if it's raining and windy, you will get a bit windy and wet. Now that's an early Royal Mail carriage, this one here. It had a little seat on the back for a little man to sit on, just to, I think it had a little horn just to let the driver know if there's anything going wrong. And then for goods, you had these flatbed wagons. They're just very basic. With all of these Era 1, they had little steps on them on the sides. Even the, if you like the Royal Mail one, it's got steps. First class carriage had little steps on the side, and even the third class carriage, it's got little steps on the sides. And also, you've got, if you want like coal or thing, you've got these very basic wagons, which if you look, they're very similar to the tender of the rocket. All they've done is they've taken the barrel off, so they're very similar to the rocket's tender. Another thing you might notice, I showed you this a little bit earlier. Now with the Royal Mail carriage and the first class, from the base, this is like a base of you see, you've got the buffers there at both ends, and you can see there's a metal bar goes all the way to the cross, to the back end of the buffers. And with the third class, you can see it's basically all they've done. They've got the wagon and they've built it up, and they've put like side panels and a door on it. And the same thing with the first class. See, it's all they've done is they've put this little fancy carriage bit on top. So it's all, see that bit, all they've done is like put that bit to that bit on top of here, and they've painted it different. And the same with the mail carriage. This is basically the base, and they put a little Royal Mail, don't know if it's Royal Mail, but you know, like a mail van or mail carriage, whatever you want to call this. You see, and there's even a little luggage bit on top. So this is basically the base, and then they've built up whatever they wanted. It was the first class carriage, a third class, or the mail. But of course, with these other, like I said earlier, this is basically the rocket's tender, but they've done it, so they've taken a little barrel out. You can get a second class carriage, but I haven't got a second class carriage to show you. That's my little video about the different rolling stock you can get for either the rocket, which I've got two of, or the Tiger, just that locomotive there, or the Lion, which is that locomotive there, which you may notice both the Lion and the Tiger are both similar design. The only difference is really that bit there is silver, that is black, but basically they're both the same. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.